The Forest School Online has brought us as a family so much fun. We've connected together where we perhaps wouldn't have without doing it. My children have thoroughly enjoyed the amazing activities they put on. It helped us build together a bit more as a family because COVID's been pretty tough. My disabled daughter really enjoyed just sitting and watching and listening to the children and feeling part of the community that Contact and you guys have put on. The confidence that they have doing that. My little boy goes outside, he goes and looks for stuff. It gives us quality time that perhaps we wouldn't have made time for.
What are we getting today, Archie? Are we getting some sticks? Are we getting some sticks? We got lots of ones, haven't we?
Without doing the activities, but also they really put some creative ideas for my daughter to listen to. She just loved listening to the other children and all of the activities that they did. So there was an activity for him to go and do outside, but there was also activities for her to do inside. And it really brought us together as a family. But I gotta admit, as a parent carer, I really enjoyed it as well. So as a family, me, my partner, my daughter and my son just connected in a totally different way. The kids just thoroughly enjoyed meeting the other children online, connecting, talking, showing the craft activities that they've done. I gotta say, I think this has been one of the most fantastic things I've done in COVID, and I just hope some of this is passed on past COVID, because as a parent carer with a complex child, this has just brought the Forest School to our doorstep and meant that we could do stuff as a family. And we often can't get out as a family because of my daughter's extra needs, so this was really, really special to be able to bring this to our home and us be able to do activities local with our family. So thank you very much for it, and I hope some of it's online again, and we also look forward to meeting them if there's the opportunity out and about in the forest. So thank you very much.